Becoming a pilot is an exciting journey that opens up a world of opportunities, offering a thrilling career path filled with travel and adventure. Whether you aspire to fly commercially or privately, the process to earn your wings involves several key steps. This guide will walk you through the essential stages to achieve your dream of becoming a pilot.
First and foremost, it's important to understand the types of pilot licenses available. The most common is the private pilot license, or PPL, which allows you to fly for personal use. If you're interested in making a career out of flying, you should aim for a commercial pilot license, or CPL, which enables you to get paid for your flying services. Additionally, for those wishing to fly for airlines, an airline transport pilot license, or ATPL, is required. Each license has its own prerequisites and training requirements, so it's essential to research which path suits your goals best. Once you've decided on the type of license you want to pursue, the next step involves meeting the necessary educational and medical requirements. Most pilots start with a high school diploma, or GED, and while a college degree is not mandatory, it can enhance your job prospects. Additionally, you must pass a medical examination conducted by an authorized aviation medical examiner to ensure you meet the health standards required for flying. This evaluation assesses your vision, hearing, and overall health to ensure you are fit for the challenges of piloting.
Next, you'll need to undergo flight training. This involves enrolling in a flight school, which can be either a Part 61 or Part 141 school, depending on your learning preferences and career aspirations. Training comprises ground school, where you learn the theoretical aspects of flying, and flight hours logged with an instructor in the cockpit. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, mandates a minimum number of flight hours to qualify for your license, which can range from 40 hours for a PPL to 2,500 hours for an ATPL. Finally, after completing your training and logging the required flight hours, you must pass both a written exam and a practical flying test. The written exam assesses your knowledge of aviation regulations, navigation, meteorology, and flight operations, while the practical test evaluates your ability to operate the aircraft competently. Upon successfully passing these examinations and meeting all requirements, you will be awarded your pilot license, marking the beginning of your journey as a licensed pilot. In conclusion, becoming a pilot requires dedication, training, and a commitment to learning. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can soar into the skies and embrace the freedom that comes with being a pilot. The path may be challenging, but the rewards of flying are undeniably worth the effort.